Welcome to Toyota of Warsaw, family-owned and operated business proudly serving the greater Warsaw and northern Indiana area. I'm Emily Illingworth-Kosnick, and today I'll be giving you a brief look at our service experience. At Toyota of Warsaw, we offer a pressure-free sales and service experience. Here's what you can expect when you choose to service your vehicle with us. Scheduling your vehicle service is easy, whether online or by phone. When you arrive, you'll enter our service drive where one of our Toyota service advisors will greet you. We service any make and model, offering a wide range of services from regular maintenance to major repair. We use Toyota genuine parts, ensuring the highest quality product for your vehicle. Using Toyota SmartPath, our team will send you a video walkaround of your vehicle, noting any visible areas of concern. This will be the first of 2 videos you'll receive through your service visit. These videos allow for transparent and seamless communication between the advisor, technician, and you. While your vehicle is being serviced, you'll receive a video multi-point inspection report with the health and status of your vehicle from one of our Toyota certified technicians. You'll have the option to approve or decline any recommended services directly from your phone, allowing you to save time and stay informed from home, work, or from the comfort of our service lounge. Enjoy our amenities, including Wi-Fi, a coffee bar, a kids area, and a work zone. After your vehicle has finished being serviced, our advisor will then review the completed services with you, ensuring you're fully informed. For your convenience, you can pay in person, from your phone, or even set up a payment plan fitting your budget. At Toyota of Warsaw, we are committed to operating utmost honesty and transparency while delivering unparalleled value. We strive to make your service visit quick and hassle-free. Schedule your next service appointment through our website at toyotawarsaw.com or by calling 574-267-4636. At Toyota of Warsaw, you might arrive as our guest, but you will always leave as our family. Toyota of Warsaw. Arrive as our guest, leave as family.